guys, at last we have reached to the Aryan Valley. This beautiful place and this beautiful hotel is called Aryan Valley Camp, which is situated in Beema near the Da village. As I told you already that on our 6th day, which is today, we are going to visit the Drokpa villages, mainly Da and Hanu. So it's almost evening now. It's almost like 5 o'clock in the evening. We started early morning at 7 from Leh, stopped over in quite some places. We had tried some nice food on the way. As well, we have explored the Hanu fort, and on top of that we have also explored the Likir monastery on top. And at the end of the day we have reached here. This place is fabulous and it's beautiful. You have a kitchen garden here surrounding by flowers and fruits. At that side also you have a beautiful view around. And just come with me, I will show you how does it look inside. Inside is really comfortable. The ambience and decor is just fabulous. So this is the balcony where we'll be enjoying our evening. And please come with me, I will show you my room where I'll be staying tonight. So this is how my room looks. It's a double-bedded room, and they have a well-equipped toilet inside. They also have a Wi-Fi, which is a big thing because in this remote area, for the comfort of the guests, they have arranged Wi-Fi as well. The toilet is well prepared with the commode and basin. Everything is there. Everything you can crave for. From Ladakh, dear friends and viewers, right now I am at Aryan Valley Camp, and in front of me this beautiful tree is actually apricot palm. So apricot is the main fruit here, which is grown everywhere in the village. Wherever we have walked through, we have seen this. So I'm going to show you how does it look. There are various types of apricot which grows in the mountains here, but these are the small variations. There are also bigger ones. The yellowish color, if you see, these are the ripened ones. So this is how does it looks. Pure and natural apricot. There are also peach, walnut, apples, all different kind of flowers. So the land is really fertile and the people are hardworking, and nature is just amazing. It's blessed. So guys, we have just walked into the plantation next to Aryan Valley Camp, and I want to show you how the apricots here are used. They generally segregate the apricots in two types. One that is already growing there, the fresh one they collected to eat and to sell as well. But the ones which are falling by themselves, they just take out the seed, and these fruits are used for cattle and goats, and from the seed you can actually extract oil. With that oil you will find in metro cities, in some supermarkets you will find soaps, you will find different kind of oils and different kind of things from just getting extracted from there. if you're coming to Ladakh, please bring lots of smile on your face and lots of energy. Right now we are going to the top to give you some nice view of the whole valley, as well as we'll show you how Aryan Valley Camp looks from the top. Come with me. Guys, I would like to repeat once for you guys who are planning to visit Ladakh or this place. I would first tell you the address. It's the village called Beema, which is around 4 hours journey from Leh. You'll have to take the Kargil road first, and then from there you'll take a turn and you will just follow the Indus River and you will be going straight to coming here. The property, the camp name is Aryan Valley Camp. The contact number and the website link you will find in the description below.